Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you PayPal credit card review, pros and cons. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's start it. So if you spend a lot of time checking out online here, you've probably seen the PayPal Cashback MasterCard push heavily at the payment screen. Now, it's a zero annual fee card issued by Synchrony Bank, and on paper here, it looks like a total powerhouse for digital shoppers. But like any financial tool here, it has some excellent perks and a few hidden drawbacks here that might make you think twice depending on your spending habits. Now, in this case, what's the pros first? So the biggest selling point of this card is the incredibly strong 3% cashback on all PayPal purchases. Because so many major online retailers from Target to Nike accept PayPal at checkout, these essentially becomes an automatic 3% discount on a massive chunk of your digital shopping cart. Now, there are no rotating categories to keep track of and no caps on how much you can actually earn. Now, in this case, for everything else where PayPal isn't an option, the card drops down to a flat of 1.5% cashback. Well, that isn't quite as high as the dedicated 2% flat rate card. It still has a highly respectable baseline for a card with no annual fees. Now, another huge plus here is the risk-free application process. Now, people use a soft credit check to see if you qualify first. Your credit score won't take a hit from a hard inquiry unless you are officially approved and choose to accept the card. Now, once you do have it, the cashback posts to your account relatively quick, so allowing you to use your rewards almost immediately. Now, there are some few cons here that you may want to know. So the first major letdown here is the lack of the digital welcome bonus. Now, while other cashback cards routinely hand you a $150 or $200 just for hitting a reasonable spending target in the first few months, PayPal card usually offers next to nothing upfront. Now, you have to rely purely on your daily spending multipliers to extract real value. Now, you also want to keep this card far away from international travel. It carries a 3% foreign transaction fee, which completely wipes your cashback earnings the second you buy something outside the United States. Now, furthermore, if you accidentally carry a balance here, the interest rates are brutally high, frequently pushing past like 30% APR, depending on your credit tier. Now, also, there are a few things that may want to know here. So, if you are looking into this card right now, so you need to be aware a massive upcoming change to the platform's ecosystem. So, PayPal has announced that starting like August 1, 2026, they are discontinuing the option to redeem reward points directly for cash back into a standard linked bank account or debit card or PayPal savings account. So, moving forward, your rewards will be geared heavily towards being spent directly at checkout when you use PayPal to buy things. Now, while this isn't a deal breaker here, if you are already using the app to shop constantly here, it does strip away some of the pure cold hard cash flexibility that traditional cashback cards actually offer. So, ultimately, this card is a slam dunk if you already do a massive amount of your household shopping online and routinely click that yellow PayPal button at checkout. Now, the 3% return is hard to beat for a zero annual fee. So, however, if you prefer a massive upfront sign-up bonus, want the freedom to deposit your cash rewards straight into a traditional savings account, or need a card to take on international vacations, well, you are definitely better off looking elsewhere. But it always depends on you, but that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.